Hello, my dear friends. Today we'll prepare Bangude Masala Fry. For that, we'll clean Bangude very neatly. Then cut, slice to the Bangude. Then take 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. This is the homemade red chili powder. Then we'll add 1 spoon of salt. If you need more salt, you can add according to your taste. Then take a 4 to 5 garlic, then pinch of ginger, then do cut. Paste them nicely until it become fine paste. Then take out ginger and garlic paste and we'll put into the masala. Put all the paste. Then we'll add 1 spoon of homemade coriander powder. Then half teaspoon of jeera powder. Then add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we'll add few curry leaves for the taste. Then we'll add turmeric water into the paste. Then mix them very nicely. Add little more turmeric water. Then mix it to the fine paste. Mix very well. Mix inside. Mix very nicely until it become fine paste. Then apply all the masala to the bangde. Coat very nicely. Inside the cuts, everywhere. Apply the masala very nicely. See guys, finally our bangde will look like this. Now we'll keep this bangde around 15 to 20 minutes for rest. Then take a pan, then add coconut oil, then fry both the side of the bangde around 5 minutes. Then once it fried in the one side, then add remaining masala above the bangde so that it will absorb all the masala. Then we can prepare very nice, delicious bangde masala fry. See guys, apply the masala like this, both the side of the bangda. Wow, how it looks like. You see guys. If you cook 6 to 7 minutes, both the end, they will cook nicely. Now you can enjoy your Bangude Masala Fry. Friends, don't forget to subscribe us for like this delicious, more variety food. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video.